In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Xero certification step by step. This certification is a fantastic asset whether you're an accountant, bookkeeper, or an advisor who uses Xero for managing client accounts. By becoming Xero certified, not only do you enhance your credibility, but you also gain access to a vast array of resources that will help you better serve your clients. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to create a Xero partner account. To do this, head over to the Xero Partner Program page. Here, you'll register as an accountant, bookkeeper, or advisor depending on your professional role. Once you sign up, you'll gain access to Xero Central, which is Xero's dedicated learning portal. It's like a treasure trove of knowledge where you can explore a wide range of training resources that will guide you through the certification process and beyond. With your partner account set up, your next step is to access the certification course itself. Log into Xero Central and search for Xero Advisor Certification. This search will bring up the course listing you'll need. This is the main certification pathway specifically tailored for accountants and bookkeepers. It's essential because it lays the groundwork for using Xero's plethora of tools efficiently and effectively. Now, on to the training. The great news here is that all of this training is completely free for Xero partners. You'll have access to an extensive suite of online courses, live webinars, and self-paced learning materials. Throughout this training journey, you'll cover crucial topics such as setting up clients in Xero, managing invoices and bills, performing bank reconciliations, and ensuring compliance through accurate reporting. These modules are designed to enhance your proficiency in each area, setting you up for success with real-world application. After you've completed the training, it's time to put your skills to the test with an online assessment. This assessment will include both multiple choice questions and scenario-based questions to evaluate your understanding and application of the Xero software. Passing this assessment is critical, as it is the credentialing moment that officially grants you the certification you've been working towards. Finally, upon passing your assessment, you will receive a Xero Certified Advisor badge. This badge is more than just a digital certificate. It signifies your competency and expertise in Xero's accounting platform. Additionally, if applicable, your practice will be listed on the Xero Advisor directory. This listing can significantly boost your visibility and appeal to potential new clients who are looking for trusted advisory services. That brings us to the end of our guide. By following these steps, you'll have all the tools and knowledge necessary to become Xero certified. Good luck, and here's to opening up new pathways in your professional journey.